Alright, welcome back. Today, well, a few days ago, I got this new phone. This is the iPhone 13. Not the Pro or anything, just the standard 13. But I haven't used it for video at all yet, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be testing out if I like the video or not. So yeah, let's do that. So we're going to be trying out the 60 frames per second, just the normal 24 frames per second, and we're going to see how it works. I definitely am impressed with the footage so far. The quality is super good for just for a phone, but the stabilization is ridiculous. It's unreal. Like, how is that even possible? It looks like I'm holding like a professional gimbal, like $1,000 gimbal, but really no, it's just that good. They're able to smooth out perfectly. There's no warping like on some IBIS cameras, but it's super good. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna get some more footage, see if it really is that awesome, and we'll report back. Alright, there's some more awesome footage. How's that look? Anyways, I'm not going to really talk about the specs of the phone because I bet you've seen 100 videos on that, but yeah, the 1080p 60 frames per second, which I've been using a lot, looks super cool. The slow motion is super good with awesome stabilization, and it does 4K of course, but I don't really film in 4K because if I'm doing 1080p for 60 frames per second, I'm just gonna do 1080p for everything. But I'm sure the 4K looks really nice in both 24 frames per second and 30 frames per second, which is awesome. And of course it also does 120 frames per second for that really nice slow motion, and also I think it does 240 frames per second for, I think, 1080p? Not 100% sure, haven't tried that out yet, but maybe I'll give that a go after this. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I would say that I'm definitely impressed with the phone overall, you know, with everything. Even outside of filmmaking, it's a really nice, smooth phone. Everything works really well. And if you are getting into filmmaking, it's definitely a good upgrade from whatever you have now. And especially if you don't have like a really nice camera, the 13 is completely capable of filming everything you need. So yeah, keep that in mind. But I'll see you guys later.